Hello, I hope you're all okay. Smarty here. These 5 moulds were from a mystery bag from Intoresin, and they've just arrived and I can't wait to make them. So I'm going to do that. All purchased by myself, and this was another mould I bought as well. Look how sparkly that is. So excited. I'm going to use some interference gold from Create and Brew and some Teexpert epoxy resin. So I'm going to mix up this resin and I'll come back and pour. Okay, see you in a little while. Okay. The resin all mixed up. I'm going to use a bit of this secret gold. If I can, I hope I can open this now. There we are. I only want to put a little bit in, not too much. Just a little smidge. There we are. Okay. I'll give this a little stir. A little bit of a while to mix in, I think. Oh, look at that. That's nice. All around the edges and all around the bottom as well. Alrighty then, I think we're good there. Okay. Right then, where do we start? Go in this one. Oh. Let's fill this one up. I hope I've got enough. Knowing me, I probably haven't. Be careful here, as it's only very. Probably I've put too much in. Really. Way too much. Right, let's do this one. And that one up a little bit. I'm not sure what some of these are, so it'll be a nice surprise. Have to get the little brush in there, I think. Oh, sugar. It's really cozy here. I don't know. I definitely need new glasses. Find something else for that one. Alrighty then, see you later. Hello again, I've already unmolded these. How pretty are they? Let's do this one. I've got some tidying up to do on there. Not sure where that goes. Does it go on the top, do you think? Not sure. Okay. Let's have a look at this one, shall we? Wiggle it out there. Oh, isn't that cool? Very shiny. Sparklies! Some colours. Oh, where are we? There we are. Oh, sugar. Oh, heart, I think now, yeah. Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? And a flower. Oh, some overpour and they're all stuck together. Separate them in a little while. Is that them all out of here? Oh no, there's two more. Another flub. Cool. Now I'll go with this one now. It's nice. I think I've overfilled them, to be fair. And now this one, which I was most intrigued about. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh wow. I like that. That's pretty. Oh, I've got a couple of bubbles at the back, but it's okay. I just wanted to see what they were like. Oh, there we go. Take some photos and I'll sort that out in a minute.